3 days ago, a Bitcoin miner signed a $19 billion deal, bigger than its own market cap. TeraWulf isn't mining coins. It's selling power to Anthropic. AI is a gold rush. Model labs burn cash, shovel sellers get paid. But shovels come in layers, and upstream, they choke. That's Serenity's bottleneck method. Tear the chain down, layer by layer. GPU, not the bottleneck. HBM memory is Micron past 1,000, sold out through 2026. And upstream substrates? AXD ran 6,000% to a spring peak, then gave plenty back. Why miners? They own what AI can't get fast: power, land, cooling. All SEC filed, IREN signed Microsoft, $9.7 billion. Applied Digital, 11. Core Scientific, 10. CIFR signed Amazon. The deepest shovel is electricity. Data center demand roughly doubles by 2030. 3 Mile Island is restarting for Microsoft. Retail chases NVIDIA, smart money buys the miners' power. And the metamorphosis runs 3 roads. TeraWulf plays landlord, lease the halls, live on the tenant's credit. IREN plays shovel seller, 150,000 GPUs, compute straight to Microsoft. Mara goes furthest upstream, the landowner. July 2nd, it closed on Texas land wired for 2 gigawatts, not energized yet, plus an Ohio gas plant. It wants to own the power. My read, not advice. The choke point logic holds. But I'm not chasing minor tickers off headlines. A deal announced is not cash collected. I follow where the contracts point. Connect them, most roads lead to one buyer, CoreWeave. 20 billion of contracts, one counterparty, running a 1.2 billion loss on 21 billion of debt. The engine of the chain doesn't make money yet. That's the crack. The metamorphosis is still running. We read the disclosures. Capital signal, not financial advice.